Now that you have your first 10 stitches cast on, I am going to show you how to do the knit stitch. So you move the cast on stitches to your left hand and take your bare needle, no stitches, in your right hand. You insert the needle into that first stitch at the bottom from the front towards the back. Then you take the working yarn, wrap it around the needle just like you did in the cast on, around the front of the working needle, and then pull that loop that you made through in the stitch off the needle. Oh, that is my tail. Through the first loop on the needle, around the working needle, and bring it through and drop your stitch off. Your working needle into the loop, into the stitch, bring your working yarn around the tip of the needle, bring that loop through, and bring your stitch off. We'll do it a few more times so you can see all 10 stitches being knit off. Into the stitch from the front to the back, bring your working yarn around the working needle, and then bring that loop you just made through the stitch and bring the stitch off. Insert the needle in, bring your working yarn around, bring the loop through and the stitch off. Insert the needle in, bring the working yarn around, loop through this and bring the stitch off. And the last stitch, just like all the others, insert the needle through and your working yarn around the front needle, the working needle, pull the loop through the stitch and bring the stitch off. And now there are no stitches left on your left hand needle, and they have all moved to the right hand needle. So you simply move your needle with the stitches to the left hand and the empty needle to your right. And that is how you knit your first row of stitches.